Good morning, class 7. Our chapter is on whether you know we are doing orographic rainfall. What is orographic rainfall? These are moisture bearing. Bearing means carrying winds which are forced to rise because the presence of the physical barriers. See, such as mountain underwater. As India experiences such things. Okay, later I will make it. Such winds expand and cool as they rise to the slopes of the mountain and plateau, and when they move up, they take the formation of clouds. Well saturated, these clouds give rain, and these rains are known as relief rain because it gives relief to the areas where it is happening, or mountain or plateau. The side of the relief feature that forces the moisture bearing winds is called windward, and the other side, which doesn't receive much of the rainfall, is known as leeward. Means, okay, let me show you if I can. Here, see here, it is Arabian Sea, moisture laden winds are coming up, and as it goes and strikes to the Aravalli mountains, it goes up. It doesn't flows up, it goes up. And as it goes up, cloud is formed. And when it is heavy, the cloud becomes heavy, it starts raining. Now this wind, the cloud has already formed here, and the rest of the wind is going down. But it doesn't have any water particles in it because already that particles have gone up, cloud has formed, and it has rained over it. So the wind that is going up, this is known as windward side, clouds forming and giving rain, these are all known as wind. Whereas the wind that is now coming towards the other side of the mountain, here there is no water particles, so the wind does not goes up, it is empty, no water particles, so no clouds are formed. So now it is dry one, and it is coming down. So this is known as leeward. So on the, if it is a mountain, on this side when the rain is happening, wind is blowing, windward, and the other side where the cold wind doesn't reach, but the warm wind which is known as leeward. This is why the Deccan Plateau, that is Deccan Plateau, is experiencing this type of weather because it falls in the rain shadow. This is rain shadow leeward side of the Western Ghats, and therefore it remains dry. The plateau, Deccan Plateau, remain most of the time dry. Next is cyclonic or frontier rainfall. This type of rainfall occurs when warm and cold air meet together at any places. Like here, warm air is coming and cold air is coming. It is joining in this place. So this is known as front. Okay. The cold air is denser, while this is, we have told you, this is hot, so it is light. This is cold, so it is heavy. So the warm air rises up. Okay. This cold air takes the place. Okay. As the warm air rises, it starts expanding and it cools down, and the moisture that is there in this warm air, it gets condensed. This makes cloud and great rain. Look, warm air coming, cold air coming, joining, it's going up, cloud is forming, and then it means rainfall. So this is known as cyclonic rainfall, which have occurred. Just now we have experienced Yash, it was of such thing. This mostly occurs in the temperate or in the tropical region. What is temperate region? This is equator. This is equator. This is tropic Cancer, tropic of Capricorn. So that is known as tropical rainfall. Now what is wind? Wind is air motion. Wind blows from region to high pressure to low pressure. That means where the pressure is high, air is low, it flows this side. It is thus a horizontal movement of the air that helps to transfer the heat on the surface of the earth. Wind cannot be seen, but it can be felt. It has both directions, the speed, and therefore can be measured. Winds are of many types: parallel winds, trade winds, prevailing wind, western winds. Every wind has their polar winds, and these are all parallel winds. And these all winds have their own names.